Welcome to day 2. Yesterday, we built a premium landing page. Today, we're building the engine that actually runs the business. I'm going to show you how to create a custom, full-stack team task tracker from scratch in under 6 minutes using Gemini and the Replit Agent. Most businesses are stuck in spreadsheet hell. Data gets lost and priorities are a mess. By the end of this video, you'll see how to go from a blank prompt to a bespoke management platform for your business. Let's get to work. Step 1. We use Gemini as our lead architect. Look at the prompt I'm crafting here. I'm defining the tech stack using React and Tailwind and outlining the exact UX requirements. I want a dark mode dashboard that feels like a premium consulting tool. Watch how Gemini synthesizes our request, analyzes the complexity, and gives us the exact prompt to feed into Replit Agent. Machine-to-machine communication is the secret to high-velocity building. Now, we take that machine-optimized prompt and paste it directly into the Replit Agent. This is where the magic happens. The agent is currently scaffolding the entire environment, installing dependencies, and setting up the local storage logic. It's not just writing code, it's building a functional file structure that we can eventually scale. We are moving from a theoretical idea to a tangible business asset in real time. The first iteration is live. Notice the clean, dark mode aesthetic and the vertical sidebar. It's exactly what we architected in Gemini. The UI is fast, responsive, and ready for data. Let's test the logic. I'm adding our core operations. Conduct AI readiness audit, and optimize LLM prompt architecture. Pay attention to the priority levels. I've instructed the AI to give high-priority tasks a subtle red glow. This is the quiet luxury of functional design. I'm also demonstrating the filtering system here. We can toggle between to-do, in progress, and done, ensuring that as a founder, I only see the fires that need to be put out first. But a tracker is only as good as the team behind it. We need to level up. I'm heading back to Gemini to ask for a team management layer. I want a dedicated section to manage employees and the ability to assign tasks directly to them. Watch how Gemini expands the architecture to include a Postgres database. It understands that local storage won't cut it once we have a team of consultants to manage. It's rewriting the entire back-end plan for us now. We feed the new Level Up prompt back into the Replit agent. This is a massive jump. The agent is now migrating our data logic and creating new relational tables. It's building the Manage Team modal and the assignment dropdowns simultaneously. This demonstrates the power of iterative building. We don't have to start over. We just give the AI new instructions and watch it evolve the existing codebase. The speed of execution here is simply impossible for a manual developer to match. The transformation is complete. Look at the new team section. I'm adding a new consultant named John Adams. Once John is in the system, the task form automatically updates. I'm creating a high-priority task for Dr. Miller's clinic and assigning it directly to John. Now, our dashboard isn't just a list, it's a workload map. You can customize this tool to your exact requirements, add deadlines, client tags, or budget tracking. But the core syntax of this AI to AI workflow remains the same. We've built a bespoke management platform in minutes. I've open-sourced the Gemini blueprint in the description below. Subscribe for day 3, where we turn static PDFs into interactive agents. I'll see you then.